Hi guys, I'm Jane Hughes. I'm here with Millie and I'm going to do a gorgeous glowing complexion. I'm going to start with By Terry's SPF 50 UV base. I love this stuff. It provides like this insane like glow from within kind of look, and you know, it's summer. SPF's important. Do you use SPF every day?
I should, but I sometimes forget.
Me too. It's okay. Happens to the best of us. So I'm just going to put it everywhere where, obviously all over, but I'm going to go only with what's, it doesn't smell amazing.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Doesn't it smell like holiday? It smells like holiday when you're a kid.
Vacation, yeah.
Okay, so that's that. And then, one of my favourite tinted moisturisers from when I worked here 12 years ago was Just Skin from Chantecaille, and it's still so amazing. I'm just going to use a decent amount. I'm just going to use my fingertips really. Starting on the cheeks. Your face is always going to be a teensy bit warmer, especially in summertime, but dry skin and exfoliation is key. When I put powder on, I put it on with a smaller brush, something around this size or smaller, and just really press it on the face as opposed to doing like this everywhere, because the more that you sort of scruff around on the face with a brush, the more texture you'll have. Then I'm going to use one of my favourite highlighters of all time. This is Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. This is in Pearl. This is the brightest one because I want there to be a bit of contrast. So I'm going to do the Cupid's bow down the nose, touch on the chin and the cheekbones. By putting it down the centre of the face, is it's elongating the face. By putting it on the cheekbones, it's giving you more of a glowy, you know, appearance overall. This is such a good bronzer for you because it's like your colour. Cute.
It's
Gorgeous.
amazing, I love it.